What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I've changed my accommodation. This is the room here. Every month I switch Airbnbs. Not the most interesting background, but I'm only a little tiny speck in the corner of the screen. So we're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 18K. We broke out of the symmetrical triangle that we talked about yesterday. Up 3.6 on the day. Sitting in market cap of 342 billion. 24-hour volume 25.07 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. All links in the description and in the comments. Let's hop into Bitcoin. So as you can see, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle. We pushed up to the technical target of 17.9K. So I'm just going to remove this price target so it's not distracting. So what I'm looking at is we put in 3 waves to the upside. So we have a wave 1 here in green, wave 2 pullback. That was a wave 3. We put in a wave 4. Looking to push up in a wave 5, which would complete the wave 3 of the wave 3. So if we zoom out a little bit, so you can see what I'm talking about, what I'm looking at is that we've come down. We're looking to come down in the final wave 5, and we've come down in a wave 1. We've A, B, C'd into a 2. We haven't complete our wave C yet. Within the wave C are 5 waves. So you have your wave 1 here in green, wave 2 pullback, looking to push up into wave 3. And within that wave are 5 waves. So we pushed up into 1, A, B, C'd into a 2, looking to push up in a wave 3, which is here in yellow. And the smallest wave count that I just showed you guys, I'm looking at this as a wave 4 pullback, looking to push up in a wave 5. We have met the minimum target, the 382. For wave 2 pullback, but as you can see, we're pushing higher here, and the normal range is in between the 0.5 to 0.786, usually in between the 0.5 and the golden ratio. The 0.5 is currently coming in right around 18.3, and the 0.786 right around 20K. Now if we pop over to our next chart, I was noticing a little bit of a cup and handle pattern. As you can see here, beautiful cup, and we created the handle. We've broken out, so that target's up at 19K. As you can see on the left here, we don't have a lot of previous trading volume in this area. So we could easily push up to at least about 18.6, 18.7, quite possibly 19.2, which is a point of control, and retest this previous support as resistance. If we look at this chart here, just showing this little bull flag, I'm going to zoom out. This is the daily time frame. What I think we're doing here is very similar to what we saw previously when we got started in this bear market here. Just going to drop in a box. So as you can see right here, we had a major level of support right here in this area, right around 45.5K to about 49K, a whole lot of support in this area. And we came up and we retested as resistance once, twice, 3 times, and then we broke down. So what I'm looking at here is that we broke down from this massive level of support, a lot of trading volume in that area. And we're looking to push up and retest it as resistance before seeing continuation to the downside to bring you down to 10 to 13K. And I think the bottom will come in around March to May, and that's when we'll bottom out, start to consolidate, and slowly start to make our climb back to the upside. My apologies, I meant to say March and April, and then most likely May going into June. We'll start to turn around in the market, in my opinion, and slowly make the climb back to the upside. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada, so take it with a grain of salt. But that's what I'm looking at. I don't think the bottom is in. I think we're just going to retest this level of support as resistance before seeing continuation to the downside. All right, gang, so we're looking to push up in that wave 5. We could do a quick measurement here. Just remember that the micro counts can be inaccurate. So as I said before, take everything with a grain of salt, but you go from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3. If this is the bottom of the wave 4, then usually you're looking for a 100% extension, and that would take you up in a wave 5 to about 18.5K. And that will complete the larger wave 3 within the wave 3, which is here in green. Wave 4, wave 5. Complete the wave C pullback and then see continuation to the downside, in my opinion. That's what I'm looking at here for the price of BTC. Make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to Bybit. Make your first deposit, or BitGet up to 30K in bonuses. You can check out my full length tutorial. You can email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. But all chat rooms are completely free once you make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.